Today is June 22nd, 2007. We decided to come to Peace Valley Park just to walk around, throw some rocks in the water, but we found the rowboats enticing, so we're out enjoying the lake. Nathan, say hello. Mommy, say hello. Nathan, say hello to the camera. Video.
Say hi to Daddy. Oh, stop.
Nathan, turn around.
Turn around. Look at Daddy. Cheese.
Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Look, cheese.
Never mind.
Look, cheese to Daddy.
Say hello, Nathan. Hello.
Look at Daddy.
He's too scared, maybe. Okay.
Drinking his juice.
Say bye-bye, Nathan. Bye-bye.
Daddy.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Did you get it?
Yeah.